Hi, welcome to Back to School Night. I'm Mr. West, your student's MGI teacher for this semester. Um, just a little bit about me. I grew up near Lake Lotawana, Missouri. I went to Mason Elementary, Bernard Campbell Junior High, and Lee Summit North High School. So I'm a product of the LSR school system. This is my 12th year teaching social studies and my 5th year here at Lee Summit West. And I'm going to just show you through Schoology so you know how it's going to operate and then kind of go through the syllabus quickly. So if you go into your student's course, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. Most of what I'll do will be in materials. Okay, so this would be the place when you click materials, you'll see what we have going. I'll also send updates. I'll send them a weekly update. So on Monday before classes, I'll send them an update of what we're going to do that week. And then they'll get daily updates. And they'll get these notifications on Schoology, and it also shoots them an email. If we go back to materials, you can see kind of how I have it set up. So Back to School Night's a folder for the parents. Okay, the students will have one that says introductions and syllabus. But there'll be dates, okay, on the folder for that week or for that unit. Okay, so you look at the unit. Okay, within that there'll be weeks. Okay, for the first week it's just 9, 10, and 9, 11. Okay, you click the week, and then within that week will be the daily assignments. Okay, if you click on the syllabus, so the learning targets for each unit will be posted at the beginning of each unit. And I'll also post all of the learning targets in a folder at the very beginning. Okay, probably in the introductions page, so the students can look at these are the learning targets. This is what's expected of me to learn. But I'll break those down and post them for each unit so that they'll know at the beginning of the unit they can look at them, so that they know kind of what they're supposed to be learning as we go through the activities. Here's my contact information. The best way to contact me is typically via email, because I can get my email not only at my computer but also on my phone. So if you email me, I will promptly reply. You could also contact me on my phone here in my classroom. As far as plan periods, I have third hour plan period. So on the days that we have third hour, you could communicate with me then, and I will be able to get back with you quickly. I'll also have virtual office hours. So on A day, it'll be from 2:25 to 3, B day from 2 to 3, and then Wednesdays from 10 to noon. On Wednesdays, really, you could communicate with me whenever, and I'll be able to get right back with you. As far as classroom expectations, mine are pretty basic. Okay, just be respectful, be responsible, be prepared for class. If you can't fulfill those, then in the virtual atmosphere, I'll communicate with the student. Eventually, if it continues to become an issue, with the parents, and then also with their administrator to try and resolve whatever the issue is. If you're absent, so the first thing you would need to do is just to communicate with me that you are going to be absent, so that I know that. You get 1 day per day that you're absent. Okay, and that's the school's policy. So if you're gone Monday, okay, you're back in class on Thursday, so you would get that day. So the next Monday, okay, you would have to turn in your work. And then with tests, it's 5 working days they get to make up a test. So if you're gone Monday, you get till the next Monday to make up that test. Extra credit's only given if you have turned in all of the other assignments by the due date. As far as grading goes, in this course, it's a total points course. So nothing's weighted besides the final. So the final will be worth 10%. and all the rest of the course is 90%. But tests are not worth so 1 point on a test is not worth more than 1 point on a daily assignment. And if your grade drops below 60%, I'll contact the parents or guardians to let them know that that's what's occurring. If you have any other questions about the course, just shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible to clarify whatever your question is. I look forward to teaching your students this year and getting to know them, and hopefully we'll be back in person at some point so I can meet them. Thanks, and have a good night.